Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of September the 1st through the 7th, 2023. A ton of deals. I'm going to try to go through this very quickly. My shopping list will be in the description box below. I usually shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's have the same deals, but not always. If I forget to leave any links or anything, or if I ever forget to add the shopping list, just drop a comment. Lots of other deals. Definitely leave those in the comments below as well for others to get other ideas. I'm going to just jump into the deals. You can slow down my playback speed if it's too fast for you. I do talk fast and I've been told that a lot. So in life in general, not just on the videos. All right, guys, so here we go. I wasn't going to grab this deal unless the cream of celery was included. I make a broccoli and cheese soup that calls for cream of celery, and it's like $1.50 a can. So it's 88 cents when you buy 5. You can get different pastas as well, Giant brand. But if you want to make that broccoli and cheese soup, I'm going to put a link if I remember in the description box. It's amazing. Calls for this soup. So at 88 cents, I went ahead and stocked up. I actually did a different transaction and got 5 more because the recipe calls for 4 cans. The soda, somehow I completely missed this for the top 5 deals. So it's buy 2 packs at $6.49, get 4 for free, which is a crazy good deal. My store was very limited on how much they had left, and I got there at like 11 o'clock. So be aware this is a very hot deal. We have a 2 off of 5 digital coupon that was available to clip a couple weeks ago. There's also 2 back on 5 on the Shop Me app that I'm hoping to get back as well, but not counting that in. $10.98 or $1.83 a piece. It'll be only $9, I guess, if the Shop Me app goes through. So really great price there on the sodas. Bush's beans are $4.48 when you buy 4. You have to get 4 of them. I had contacted them and they had mailed me coupons, so I used them here. 2 75-cent coupons, one of them doubled, making it a cost of $5.75 or $1.44 each. The Quaker granola bars, 3 for $6 with the in-ad coupon. My store finally had the cookie dough, so I grabbed 2 of those for $1 rebate on Ibotta, and then my kids really wanted one of these, so I got them one of these with a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta. So these 2 were a cost of $1, and this guy was $1.25. That's cheap enough for me to stock up on granola bars. This is a very unique deal. We don't see this go on the sale price very often. $1.99 for this Seltzers sweet lebanon bologna. It's kind of a regional item. Like, people around here go crazy about this stuff. So I went ahead and got this. I can always throw it in my freezer if we don't use it. The ground beef is $2.99 when you click the digital coupon. I wanted to get the big family pack, but there was a guy from the meat department filling the case up with these little guys. And I'm like, is the sale only on the small package or is it the big one? He's like, no, it's only on the small packs. The big ones aren't on sale for $2.99. So be aware of that. That's why I threw this in here, is I want to just let you guys know I was planning on getting a big package, but there was no sign there, nothing tagged, and that's what the guy in the meat department told me. Okay, Kraft shredded is 3 for $6 when you buy 3. Be aware, I was trying to add 6 in my cart to get them at the $2 price for 6 of them, and it was not working digitally. So I just went with the 3 bags here. 50 cents back on Ibotta per bag, making a cost of $4.50 or $1.50 each. If you have Wise, they have them on sale until Thursday the 7th or the 6th, I guess it is. No, it is the 7th. I don't know, but Wise has them on sale for $2. You can grab 5 of those if you want, and just make sure you have your Wise card linked to Ibotta to get that 50-cent rebate back. The sodas are 3 for $3 with the in-ad coupon. My husband wanted to try this blackberry stuff, so I went ahead and got him those at that price. Okay, so the Snyder's pretzels are $1.99. All the varieties, from what I can see, are included. Lots of different fun ones. My husband, these are going to be put in his stocking. I'm already thinking about that. So he'll love those little snacks. Chips are $1.88. No limit from what I can see. So be aware these things don't last forever, so don't totally stock up, but a couple months ahead, you can definitely grab them. The coffee was $2.99 with the in-ad coupon. The Jimmy Dean, so it was only on griddle cakes. I don't know when they made the switch, but lots of other Jimmy Dean breakfast items are attached now to that 5-point freebie. So if you weren't able to get yours last week, definitely check out the app. Just click on the actual your reward and see what all is included. There's only like 2 options that were still in stock in my store, so I grabbed these guys. It's 10 of them. Hopefully my kids like them. Me and my husband will eat them if the kids don't. The 5-point freebie this week is on the Harvest Blend Pringles. There's 4 different flavors. I think it was cheese, ranch, something with sweet potato. I should have grabbed it for my husband. He likes sweet potatoes, but I don't know. Sweet potato chips just sounds kind of weird to me, so I didn't get those. But lots of different flavors. Well, I think it's like 4 different flavors to choose from. Okay, let's do the point deal, and then we'll do the dairy deal. So buy 6, earn back 300 points. I grabbed 2 of these splash waters, 2 of the huggies. These were $2.50 a piece, 2 huggies at $2 a piece, and the chichi salsa at $2 a piece. We have a $2.25 off of 2 and a $1 off of 2 digital coupon on the splash, 50-cent digital on the huggies, 50 cents on shop meum, and then the chichis, there's 75 cents rebate on Ibotta. I was going to grab the Jif, but it's a better deal to grab 2 of the chichi salsa. Total cost was $4.25 or only 71 cents each. It's possible that I get back $2.25 on shop meum for the splash, which would make this a really great deal, $2 for all this stuff. So I'll just have my fingers crossed that that goes through. And the last deal I did here, this is 2 separate scenarios. Let's just go over these. The Cracker Barrel cheese, they're $2.50. Giving back $1 on Ibotta, making them $1.50. Again, over at Wise, they are on sale for $2. So I plan on going to Wise if my rebates for the Kraft and the Cracker Barrel reset. I'll go to Wise because I'll end up getting 5 more for only $1 a piece. Stock up on cheese definitely this week. So the deal is spend $20, save $7 instantly. I do have 2 cards, so keep that in mind. I only have, I did this on 1 card and this on the other. So 2 Activia at 2 for $6. There's a $1 digital and a $1 off of 2 digital. Might get back a possible $1 back on shop meum. And then I grabbed 4 of the Cracker Barrel sticks at $3.50. Ibotta gave me back 75 cents on each one, making it a cost of $8 for 6 items, or only $1.33 each. And then for this transaction, I did do a separate transaction here. I grabbed 3 of the cubes at $3.50. They're not my favorite thing, but my kids eat them. And then with the 75 cent back on Ibotta, makes it a pretty good deal. Guys, I forgot to get my Greek yogurt out of the fridge. Just pretend it's here. I did grab 2 of the Greek Gods yogurt. That's $3.50 a piece. There is a $1 digital on that. And then I grabbed 1 of the Activia for $3. I used the digital on this card, but if you only have 1 card to work with, there's also dollar printables, I think, so you could use that, making it a total cost of $9.25. And guys, I am obsessed with that Greek Gods honey vanilla yogurt. Oh, it is so good. I cannot wait to eat that. So anyway, so that's all my deals that I grabbed this week. A ton. I did spend a lot out of pocket. However, last week, I think it was last week, was kind of slow. So I had some overage left over from last week in my grocery budget that I could push to this week. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.